Alright, hi everybody in YouTube land. Yeah, latest project there. Putting new bearings in a project on the qt50. Alrighty, get your close up there, guys. New CO bearing in there. Had to patch I didn't have the right tool taking off the flywheel. Had to patch that. Screws didn't come out like they're supposed to. I got all new screws coming for that, so I got that all apart. The only one I haven't done is in this side here. I got a new seal I gotta wait for on that. Alright, there's the back. I gotta clean a little bit. Got new bearings in here, and there, and in the back here. Still gotta clean that a little bit more, and got some grease on the way. The rig here. Surprised it's in good shape considering what it's been through. Still gotta clean that some more. Clean some more parts. There's the rest of it right there. Alrighty. Exhaust. I'll let you know how I progress. Hi everybody. I just want to say this is a long time having a video there. I just gotta get some bigger hard drive, and I'm sorry I didn't show it recording, putting it together. I'm by myself. I don't got a tripod, so anyhow, be another week. I'll have that put together another week. I'll do another video. Alright, say hi to everybody in Newfoundland there, Paul and Kathy, brother, sister, and everybody in New Hampshire. Hi